What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Shelby lifestyle. It is 110 degrees out. It's supposed to get up to 114 degrees. I'm actually pretty excited to see how the Super Snake holds up, because for how hot it is out right now, 110 degrees out, and for a car like that with that much power, it's gonna need a lot of cooling. And you know, I know the Corvettes with their superchargers, they have heat soak sometimes. Hopefully, the good old Snake is gonna be running just fine. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, that's a Super Snake right there. Definitely is louder than this car, especially when it pops. I never like cutting between cars. You know, it's very sketchy. And if I were to curb the carbon wheels, that wouldn't necessarily be the best. So what are you doing?
Videos, huh?
Man, dude, I can't believe you're out right now. I got in the Gt500R today, and I noticed there are a lot of ants, like everywhere in this car, and I don't know why. I never ate any food in this car, yet everywhere I look, there's a million ants, and it's not very nice sitting in here. All over there, they're crawling all over the place. Look at that, Jesus Christ. Always got to check the GoPros while driving. A lot of people out there are actually afraid of using these suction cups above 100 miles an hour, but to me, no, they're good. They're just fine, I think. Now, I want to mention the winner of the giveaway. It goes to R. Hampton 1914. Thanks a lot for contributing in this giveaway, and I'll make sure to send that right to you as soon as I can. It's going to be pretty nice. I hope you like it. And I want to thank everyone in general for entering in this giveaway and being extremely nice and cordial. It's always like the best thing you see out there, when everyone out there on YouTube is really getting involved. That's what I like to see. I don't know, this is right there, it says 120, if you can read that. Yeah, I'm still alive. The Super Snake is still alive over there, but I don't know if these cars can take the heat much longer. This is, well, at least it's wearing me down so quickly that I don't know how you could, like, this is crazy. I'm surprised how well they're running right now for what kind of cars they are. Naturally aspirated though, this should be able to still run better than that. But right now, I've been driving it pretty hard, I'd say. I've been going through gears a lot, doing a few pulls here and there. But yeah, it is, I guess we're gonna see how much longer we can take of 120 degrees. So we finally found an area to pull off, and yeah, the heat is not treating these cars well. And I'm surprised again, like I said, these are our freaking high horsepower cars. They need a lot of air, and 120 degrees right now. And the Super Snake, yeah, it's pretty dirty right now, but for it to be even taking it, man, that's crazy. And then the R, you know, it's having its own time doing it. But most people, I don't think, would take their car into weather that's this crazy. Look at that. You've got
I like that.
1,000 horsepower and no heat soak, no nothing. This car, it's built well. See, now the cops just came over here. I'm gonna try to turn this around. Come on, turn around. There we go. There he goes. He's on out of here. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. This is part of the Shelby lifestyle, taking these cars out, 120 degrees, and driving them, enjoying them, and like there's nothing wrong. There's nothing going on, nothing like that. Once again, I want to thank you guys for joining into that competition. R. Hampton, 1914, congratulations, you won. So I'll be sending that right out to you as soon as I can. Little Camaro just drove by, trying to show off. That's nothing. Have you guys ever ran your car in this kind of weather? We're in Southern California and it's this hot out. But yeah, I'm very proud of both cars right now. So yeah, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video. Comment down below if you've ever driven your car in this kind of weather and enjoyed it. Yeah, that's about it. My camera's died on me. Well, you know, overheated about 4 times. So I think it's time to call it quit for today. Subscribe for much more of the Shelby lifestyle. Like the video, and I'll see y'all in the next episode. Do you want to know what equipment I use to film my YouTube videos? Go check out my Amazon store. That is amazon.com/shop/speedphenom. Hey everyone, don't forget I just launched my online store. It is called PhenomAutos.com. It's got absolutely everything Shelby lifestyle related and Mustang related. I plan on expanding the site over time, so make sure you stay up to date. And on that site, I'll be posting all the specific information about the upcoming rallies I plan on hosting. Thanks again.